Not every growing business has senior HR experience in the room. So the system they use needs to carry some of that experience for them. Whether you're in HR, admin, or leading the company, ABStart helps you manage it all from onboarding to exit, offer letters, attendance, leave, payroll, expenses, performance, and exit. The last 2 weeks of every month for most HR teams mean spreadsheets and racing against the clock. With ABStart, payroll tasks are automated, reducing the risk of manual errors. Running a business in India means keeping up with compliance that's always evolving. ABStart comes pre-configured with the Shops and Establishment Act, the Factories Act, and other major labor laws. Tracking who's in and out should never slow anyone down. Every morning, employees scan their face and attendance is marked in seconds. Whether working from the office or remotely, ABStart HRMS records attendance along with verified location data. Applying for leave should be simple for everyone. But when multiple employees apply on the same day, ABStart flags it instantly. The leave clash icon turns red right on the manager's screen, enabling better workforce planning. Access to reports anytime is fundamental for better workplace decisions. ABStart generates customizable reports in any combination across every module. No two organizations work the same way. We know this, having built systems for businesses of every size. ABStart is fully configurable, adapting to your workflows. Start with the modules you need today and add more as your business grows. ABStart is built and shaped by TalentCo HR's team of HR leaders and domain experts with more than 30 years of experience. That experience is built into every part of the product. So when you get ABStart, you're getting more than a dashboard. You're getting an HR partner that can manage your entire business. Whether you're a fast-growing startup or an SME streamlining operations, give your organization the rock-solid foundation it deserves with ABStart.